All right, YouTube. We got another video today. This is about our manifold gauges. I had already opened it up and used it. So you gotta sneeze. All right, a little humor there. But so we have a 380V manifold gauges, Sman from Fieldpiece. This is our refrigerant gauges. So I'm gonna hold it up a little bit. So then we have our hoses. They did not come with it. We had to buy those separately. But these are the Cobra hoses. In here, you see it's brand new. I only used it one time, but it is about to be AC season. With the SM380Vs, it comes with this little packet, 3-port gauges. This is for refrigerant, so R410, R22. It has a couple different refrigerants on here. So when we turn it on, you probably can't see much of this, but so we don't have any pressure in there. We have superheat and subcool over here on this side. Let's see if we can light it up. Yeah, so it's lit up, and we go through the menu, things like that. We have the menu, and if you know what these are, then I don't have to tell you too much, but basically if we're pressure testing, we put it on that air deal. Got view, enter. These are kind of basic gauges. They're just digital form. The knobs, I always leave mine open a little bit on any of my gauges, only because I want to make sure whatever refrigerant is there, it doesn't hold in my hoses. If I'm going from job to job, then I'll keep the R410 in there, because every time you hook up your gauges, it's going to take a little bit out. So we call it dismal, or one of the words. We'll figure it out. And then it also comes with a temp probe in there, and that's where you can clip on or, try to get the heat. So of your pipes. These are temp gauges here. So this one's for my suction side. This one's for my liquid side. And basically while I'm sitting there doing my check, I put these on the pipes, and I'll probably show you a video of us going on the pipes. But more than anything, before you hook up your gauges, or when you hook up your gauges, you want to purge them. So that means you hit this a little bit and make sure the refrigerant comes out just a little bit, so you know there's no air in the line. The only thing you want in your system is refrigerant and oil. If we're installing properly, there should only be refrigerant and oil in the system. Nothing else. We don't want air in there. Will it be perfect situation? Probably not. But at the same time, we try our best as HVAC technicians, professionals. We try to do it the best we can when we can. It does come with this fancy hook that swivels and all that good stuff. And this is like to put it in your van or your truck and clip it on. Try to keep these things off, because it does run down the battery pretty quick if they're on all the time. They did come with like 6 batteries, so 6 batteries come in this, and you can change them from the back, the screws. We will do another video on these things, just because there's a lot to go into on them, like in the system itself. And with that video, I'll show you more when it's on a system. In order to even deal with refrigerant, though, you do have to be EPA certified. So if you're not EPA certified, you can't buy refrigerant. You shouldn't even be dealing with it, because you can't be fined. So I am EPA certified. So in another video, we might go through the manual, all that good stuff. But this is just to show off the new tool. Probably do a new tool Thursday or something. I don't know. But whatever the case. But then it comes in this little box. I already opened it. There was like foam in there and all that good stuff. So That's the Sman 380 Vs. All right. Please like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Thank you.